And we're at the mouth of a lagoon where there's lots of crocodiles. I was just warned that live in there. So wherever you see brackish water like that, you can expect some crocodiles down here in Puerto Vallarta. And I haven't been down to this end of the beach before. And you can see the lagoon used to stretch over to there. Now it's kind of dried up. And it's just over there now. A lot of local Mexican people here on this area. This is Jake, Ashley, and Jackie. Jackie's from Alaska. Where in Alaska? Sorry?
Anchorage.
Oh, Anchorage. Okay, yeah, I went there. That's where the cruise ships go in? Yeah, I went there years ago. And you guys are from Minnesota?
Yeah, Minneapolis.
Oh, Minneapolis. All right, cool. Where it's like minus 10 there?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. And how cold is it where you are? In Alaska? In the teens, yeah. So that's like minus 20 Celsius. Well, nice meeting you guys, and check yourself out on budgettravelerchris.com. Okay, take care. And what's that place called that you're staying in there? The Grand Venetian. So that's the Grand Venetians. There's actually 3 of them. One tucked in behind. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Take care. So we'll carry on our tour here. And we're quite a ways from the Malecon down there. Jake said it took 45 minutes to walk down there. So I don't think we'll be going there that far this day because it's quite difficult walking on the beach here. Takes a lot of energy to walk on the beach. I'd say probably twice as much energy to walk on the beach as it does on a hard surface like a road. So better exercise for any of you people wanting to exercise like myself. And stay tuned, and we're gonna just check out the views as we carry on this beautiful walk here. Another jet ski here. Another jet ski over there. You can rent jet skis almost everywhere you go down here on the beach. And over here they've got some horses. So you can rent some horses. Go for a little ride on the beach in the horsies. There they are, getting set up on the horses there. So we've walked about as far as we're going to walk down the beach here, down to that big pile of rocks there. And we're going to go look for something to eat here. Getting on to be dinner time now. But these are the landmarks that we've walked down to. The big orange and white building there. Quite the unique building there. And this is where we're going to walk up. Found a little trail here where you can walk back to, I think it's the Versailles area, where they have really good food. And if you notice the signs here, they're warning you about crocodiles. So we're going to take a walk up here along this trail and see if we can't see ourselves a crocodile or two on this trail through here that'll hopefully take us back out to the main road in the Versailles area. So there's the signs warning about the crocodiles. So let's go see if we can't find a crocodile.